Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Historians say one of the reasons for their introduction was to make a room which had high ceilings appear cozier, and it was an optical trick to bring the ceiling height down. Door handles may have been fitted high to follow this theme.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Between 34 and 48 inches. The International Building Code has established doorknob height between 34 and 48 inches above a finished floor. Installers typically drill the hole centered 36 inches above the floor, if not specifically instructed to do so differently.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Prices for vintage glass knobs vary widely, depending on condition, rarity, style, and color. For the most common, 12-sided molded glass knobs, expect to pay between $30 and $50 a pair. Sets of 6 or 8-sided knobs cost between $60 and $100, while a pair of cut crystal balls can go for as much as $500.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Placing the deadbolt so high up near chin level has the main advantage that the door will be much hard to kick in. These escutcheons usually specify a 5-1/2 center-to-center boring between the handle and deadbolt. In the end, location of the deadbolt is not governed by code, just tradition.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.